Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. Today I have this massive TNT tower, and it's also built in the inside as well. I've got a hole in there because I want to hop in it, and we're going to light it up, and it's going to explode. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more content. We are on the road for 40 subscribers. 40 subscribers. So yeah, let's get some flint and steel. Pop in here. And let the fun begin. So, nope. Okay. Let's just build. Alright, win. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wish me luck. And we can it out straight away. And oh my gosh. So that's basically the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And with that and the crowd really seemed to enjoy that explosion. Cue the music.